Hello, my name is Elise, and I'm going to teach you today how to create exit slips for your classroom using Google Forms. The first thing you're going to need to do is go into Google and sign in. Once you're signed in, you're going to need to go to your Apps section of your Google page. If you click on this Apps section, you'll notice that your Google Drive is in here along with any other apps you may have added. You can find new apps here as well. So go ahead and click into your Google Drive, and we're going to go into the Create section. When you press Create, you'll see a drop-down menu pop up, and we're going to select Form. Here, if this is your first time with Google Forms, you will see a quick tutorial of how to use this. We're going to go ahead and just get started. First thing that will pop up is a different template or a theme that you could use, and you can title it here. I'm going to title this one Exit Survey, and you can pick from all of the different themes. I like to keep mine fairly simple for my students so that they aren't distracted by other things. Magazine is one I like to use, and we're going to press OK. Now when I press OK, you'll see your title up here. At any point, if you want to change this title, just go ahead and click on it, and I can change it here. Press OK, we'll save it. Now, there's another place here to add in a new title if you want this one to be your reminder, and this one is the one that they will see. You can add a description here. There's no real saving. It will all save on its own, as you can see right here. You have many different options for questions. I like to choose the question type before typing in my text. So I'm going to actually show you all of these options. So let's start with the text option first. So basically, this is what the reader would see, and then their answer will be in a small box like this. If you want your readers to answer the question, you can make it a required question by clicking here. And there are some advanced settings as far as data if you have that option. And I'm just going to click Done. This is what your survey will now look like. And when I'm ready to add my next question, I can do one of two options. I can copy or duplicate the last one, or I can add a new item. I'm going to try the paragraph text next. The longer answer will show up here, and we'll make that one required. Next one I'm going to do is a multiple choice. I'm going to put in a tab, will get you to the next thing, and D. You can also add an other option as well, where they fill in the answer. I'm not going to make this one required. And you continue to add items as you see fit. Where it says go to page based on answer is more of an advanced survey option. You can look into those options in a different video that YouTube, I'm sure, has. For today, we're just going to keep a very simple survey. These are also some other advanced options, as well as adding in headers, page breaks, images, and video into your survey. I like to keep mine simple for students as they can be easily distracted by these things. So at the very bottom, you'll see a confirmation page. This is what's already provided for every Google survey. I always like to add thank you to show your appreciation of them taking that survey. Show a link to submit another response is so that students can go back to this and add in their own choice. Publish and show a public link to form results is that so other people can see the results. I like to leave that one unchecked. And I also like to leave allow responders to edit responses after submitting unchecked, as I like to see what they went with in the beginning. You have a few options before you send the form to view it live. So this is what it would look like as your viewers read it, the one we just created. If you wanted to change a couple of things, just click back on it and you can make some changes. And press done to save those. And now I think I like what this looks like. So how do I get it out? What you're going to do is you're going to press send form either here or here. And you can do a couple of options. You can share via Google, Facebook, or Twitter. You can enter in names of emails, groups, or contacts that you have. You can add collaborators so that others can link up to this form, or you can just share the link and embed it. I like to just share the link myself. So I like to copy, as it says Control-C to copy for PC users, and press done. Now, right here you're going to get an option to send this to a Google spreadsheet. So just like it says here in this infographic, you can modify, rearrange, and analyze without affecting your original form responses by doing this. I normally don't click anything, and I just say create. So if we view our live form, I'm going to go in and add to this. And submit. And there's my additional thank you. There's the option to create another response. And when I go back in, if I just on this survey, I'll see that my responses are here and it shows me that I have one. I can do multiple things with this. I can see the summary of responses, which pulls up some very nice graphics for you. I can also view the responses in that spreadsheet that we saved it to with the timestamp option. I can change the response destination. So let's say I did not want it to go to that spreadsheet. I can choose a different spot to where that will go. And I can unlink the form. Unlink the form means that it will take the survey down. You also have a chance to get a pre-filled URL or to delete all of the responses if you'd like to send it out to a different group. If you have any questions, please email me. I'll send it right here. My email is alysemp@gmail.com. Thank you.